Okay, to start things out, you're going to need a little bit of a reminder or an introduction to how to do percents. Some of these, if you look at 20% of 800, well, you might remember that 20% means just 20 for every 100, or 20 per 100. So you could write it this way, 20 per 100. Okay. Or we could just think it out and say, well, you know, if it's 20 for every 100, then for 8 hundreds, there ought to be 8 20s. So 20 times 8 would be 160. Well, that's not too bad. The problem is, you know, once you get over to tougher stuff like this with the 45% of 80 and stuff like that. So let me show you an easier way to do this. First of all, think of the word of as always meaning times. Okay? So of always means times. 40%, you may remember, can be changed to a decimal by moving the decimal space 1, 2 spaces. Okay. So we're just going to copy the 600 down here. So we've changed 40% of 600 to 0.4 times 600. Okay. Multiply that out. There you go. 40% of 600 is 240. So on this one, over here, I'll just change the 45% to 0.45, multiply it by 80, 0.45 times 80 equals, there's my answer. Okay. And on this one, I'll take 0.35 times 60, and there's my answer. So that's a quick reminder about how to calculate percents. You'll need that today when you work on some other things regarding circle graphs.